Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of scale degree names. Ever wondered what tonic, dominant, and submediant really mean in music? Well, you're about to find out. In this video, we'll break down these terms and show you how they shape the music we love. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a newbie, you're in for a musical treat. Let's dive in. But first, if you're passionate about music, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's get started. In addition to numbers, scale degrees also have names. These names can indicate either the scale degree itself or the harmony built on it. Let's learn these names together. The first degree called tonic, which means the tone on which the scale is built. The second degree called supertonic. Super means above, its position and immediately above. The third degree is called median, which means falls in the medial position midway between first and fifth degree. The fourth degree called subdominant. Sub means below, the same distance below the tonic as dominant is above. The fifth degree called dominant. Its function dominates tonal music. The sixth degree called submediant. 3 scale steps below the tonic, just as the mediant is 3 scale steps above. The seventh degree called leading tone. Tends to lead upward toward the tonic, sometimes called a tendency tone because of this strong pull. That wraps up our exploration of scale degree names. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more musical insights. Your support means the world to us. Keep exploring, keep playing, and most importantly, keep the music alive. Until next time, happy playing and composing.